So in this video, I'm just going to tell you how to change a username on Facebook Messenger. That's quite simple and easy to do. So let me show you how to do that. So in order to change a username, first of all, open up your Facebook Messenger app, and then just simply click on these three lines on the very top left, and here you will get the option of a gear in front of your Facebook Messenger username. Just simply tap on that gear, and here you get the option of username. Just like I highlight it, this one, just simply tap on that username and click on edit username. So just here select your username which you want, and if you don't know just how to pick a correct username, just simply tap on that get tips on choosing a username. So it will tell you all about how to select a custom username. Just simply click on the save button in order to save your username. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below and I'll be catch you on the next video. Thanks guys.